Hey guys, it's Nuki from Nuki.com, and like the title says, I will be telling you guys if the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X released over a year ago is worth buying in 2018. First, the unboxing. The package is pretty small, smaller than the iPhone X's box. Interesting. When you open it up, you're greeted with the device. I have the black color variant. The user manual, all in Chinese. You have a charger, a regular 5V 2A output, a micro USB cable, and a SIM ejector tool. And let's quickly go through the specs. On the front, you have the 5.5-inch Full HD display, a 5-megapixel camera, no flash, a notification LED, and 3 backlit capacitive buttons. On the back, you have a 13-megapixel camera with dual flash and a fingerprint reader. On the left-hand side, you have the SIM and micro SD tray. Yes, the infamous hybrid tray. On the right, you have the volume rocker and power button. On the top, you have the IR blaster and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the bottom, you have a single speaker and micro USB port. I got a 32GB storage and 3GB RAM version, and luckily it shipped with Android 7.0 Nougat and MIUI 9, Xiaomi's own customized UI. We are going to talk more about shipping later in this video. Now, before I bore you with details, I think you should definitely buy the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X in 2018 if you are on a tight budget, and here's why. 1. The Snapdragon 625 processor and Adreno 506 GPU. This 14nm chipset favors battery life, yet runs so smoothly. I played Asphalt 8 and GTA San Andreas on default settings, and it ran like a champ. It's no wonder Xiaomi released the Redmi Note 5 a year later with the same exact processor. 2. The battery. The 4100 mAh battery powers through a whole day of use, even with a little bit of gaming. 3. The form factor. Redmi Note 4X still feels very premium in the hand. However, the back is a terrible fingerprint magnet, so you might want to put a case on it. 4. The price. There aren't many phones with great specs that come at the price you're getting the Redmi Note 4X. I got this from gearbest.com and I shipped with African Express, so I got it delivered to my doorstep. I'll be leaving a link in the description box down below in case you wish to buy it. The camera quality of the Redmi Note 4X has been said to be limited by software in the past, but it seems the issue has been fixed, as I found the photos to be better than average. In my next video, I'll be doing a camera comparison with the Tecno Camon CX or Phantom 8 or iPhone X. Let me know which one you would love to see in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe if you love the video. So thanks for watching guys. Till next time, peace.